The most loved Wonder Girls song all over the world. The #1 song is... Before that, what do you think, son? What do you think? Which one?
Like this?
Tell me?
Yeah!
Oh,
Okay.
I love this
Like
song.
this, y'all. Like this.
I really like this song.
That's the most recent song.
That's true. And the dance is like, the dance is so fun. Like, you just want to dance and the beat and everything.
Have you tried the dance?
Actually, I tried.
It's really good.
No,
Why don't you show us?
Yeah,
I'll help you.
I really don't know the dance.
It's really easy. I'll teach you how to do it. I don't know how to do it exactly, but
I'm gonna dance
like
from
this.
the one.
No, just open
Alright,
it
let's
down.
get
I tried.
Oh my god.
I
You're
tried.
so disappointing. Oh my god. Good.
I tried.
Wow.
Okay, let's learn it from Wonder Girls original
Good,
dance. How we do it?
Oh, can you? Okay. Okay.
In a dress? This is the first time?
Yeah.
Wow, people on group hop, so you're gonna... Oh.
Well, just, your arms go left, right, left, right.
That's what I did.
No, but then your legs
you do
have to
like-
go together.
That's what I did.
So, what do you call that? Is there like a special name
It's
for that?
called Kedari Chun.
Kedari Chun.
Yeah.
Is that K as in dog or K as in crab?
As in crab.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
I thought it was
wow.
dog.
How are dogs gonna put their
I
legs
know.
together?
My dog.